Subhash, why you're unpacking? We are going to capture wild animals, isn't it? I'm sorry, Roshni. I forgot to tell you. I'm so sorry to change the plan in the last moment. But I was thinking before wild animals' behavior, we need to look out for our domestic animals, those animals which we see daily. Okay, alright. Then tell me which animal? I'm very happy to share an unseen behavior of a buffalo, river buffalo of India. Sounds pretty much interesting, and the scientific name is Bubalus Babalis. Yeah, and I was just randomly walking to the footpath near lake where I saw 6 to 7 buffaloes. Some of them were eating grasses, where some of them were bathing in lake. Yeah, they most likely to feed on about 60 pounds of grasses a day. Yes, they can. But you know what was more surprising to me? To see the reaction of one female buffalo. When she saw me, she instantly started dancing and moving around. Just like a baby giving some sweet expressions. Can say that. When I reached out to capture her, she was wishing me good afternoon. Not truly, but in an impossible behavior where all other buffaloes hardly pay any attention. That explains. I know for most of us, love is filled up plates where we meet someone none before. But if you want to make your own journey, you won't always circle around in those places. Same in case of buffaloes, encountering unexpected things than usual formal greetings. Absolutely. Since me and buffaloes don't know much about each other, there was flowing certain kind of an emptiness that made me far more curious to know how do they live and how do they act. Let's take a view. As if Buffalo was being first time noticed and felt so excited about it. Do you notice one more thing? She not even puts her eyes off until I walked away from that place. Must be posing for cameras. Haha, whatever. She surely gave me an unforgotten picture. Either this was being so special moment or simply a flowing river where we can expand our thoughts towards other variety of living species in order to explore and invent.